Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you're all well, and we're back in the workshop at Eurotech. Just very quickly talking about last weekend at Tong, round 3 of the British ACU Extreme Championship. What a fantastic event that was, and congratulations to the top 3 there. Manny, number 1, Johnny Walker, number 2, and Jack Price coming in 3rd there. What a great race all round. I mean, the whole event was good, and probably one of the best tracks that I've seen down at Tong for quite some time. But moving on here now, it's been a busy week in the workshop. The edit that I put out for Tong probably weren't my best because I had to call time on it. I wanted to put more content in, but things take time, and working here over the last couple of days really has been a bit of a chew. Let's have a look at what's been going on. So looking at this engine here, this is one what Nick's been working on. This is from the KTM what I pulled apart a couple of weeks ago now. So we're going to start working on that project probably Friday, getting the bike put together. The last couple of days I've been working on these 2 bikes over here, which are now finished and ready to go for MOT. We've got a 2019 350, I'll just zoom out a bit, and a 2013 450 Sardinia 6 days. Both very problematic in terms of the amount of stuff that they needed doing to them. When you're thinking, bringing a bike in for service and MOT prep, and then it needs swinging arm bearings. Both bikes needed swinging arm bearings doing. Awesome. Which is a bit of a chew. Rear wheel bearings in the 350, oil and filter changes on both, etc. Front calipers were seized up, spindles were seized in the wheels, all sorts of issues what take time, and probably some of this stuff could have been prevented if the bikes had been dried off properly, or the wheels are taken out periodically. So quite a bit of a chew with these 2 bikes. What else have we got going on? We've got some new Shercos in. Got a good fleet of Shercos now for sale. We've got some upstairs. We've got some customer bikes. We've got a, what's that there? Yeah, I think that's a 300 2-stroke KTM. We've got a Kawasaki. We've got a 300 EXC, which I think is a 2019. We've got Johnny Walker's 200 Beta for sale, and that's a customer bike there, is that one. And we've got a full fleet of Shercos upstairs in the showroom. This bike here came in a couple of days ago, not starting for some reason. Start switch is okay, so we're just diagnosing that at the moment. A couple of shop bikes here, which are ours. We've got Mark's bike and we've got James's bike there, both having a bit of work done. We've got some forks to be done shortly, so I'm going to get cracking with them soon. So it's all getting busy here in the workshop. When I'm back on Friday and we start doing that 300 TPI project, I'll bring you something on that, so stay tuned at Robo Media. See you soon, guys.